What if the secret to thick, luscious, fast-growing hair isn't in a bottle at the store, but in your kitchen? Yes, that sharp-smelling vegetable that brings tears to your eyes may actually be the answer to your hair loss troubles. We're talking about onion juice, an age-old natural remedy making a major comeback. With thousands of people swearing by its effectiveness, it's time to find out. Can onion juice really trigger extreme hair growth, or is it just another internet myth? Let's dive deep into what makes onion juice so powerful for your scalp, how to use it the right way, and what real science says about it. Why onion juice, the root of the remedy? Onions might not smell like success, but they're loaded with sulfur, a critical mineral that plays a key role in the health of your hair. Sulfur is part of the amino acids that make up keratin, the protein your hair is built from. The more keratin your body can produce, the stronger and thicker your hair becomes. Now imagine feeding your scalp with a concentrated dose of this hair-building mineral. That's exactly what onion juice does. But there's more. Onions are also rich in flavonoids, especially quercetin, a potent antioxidant that fights inflammation and boosts blood flow. Poor circulation and chronic scalp inflammation are two major causes of hair thinning, and onion juice helps combat both naturally. So when applied directly to the scalp, onion juice acts like a fertilizer, nourishing the follicles and activating dormant hair roots. What science really says? Still think it sounds too good to be true? Let's look at the data. A study published in the Journal of Dermatology in 2002 showed some incredible results. Patients suffering from alopecia areata, a condition that causes hair to fall out in patches, were instructed to apply onion juice to their scalp twice daily for 2 months. The result? After just 6 weeks, 74% of participants experienced noticeable hair regrowth, and most of them saw visible results by the end of week 4. Compare that to the control group, where only 13% saw improvement. Since then, onion juice has gained massive popularity, especially in natural and Ayurvedic hair care communities. But even dermatologists agree, there's something undeniably potent in this simple ingredient. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. Let's move towards video. Nutritional powerhouse for hair. What exactly is in onion juice that makes it such a hair growth stimulant? Here's a breakdown of the magic. Sulfur promotes collagen production, strengthens hair roots, and boosts blood flow. Quercetin, a natural antioxidant that reduces inflammation on the scalp. Vitamin C helps build collagen and supports the repair of hair follicles. Vitamin B6 and folate encourage new hair cell growth. Enzymes aid in nutrient absorption at the follicular level. It's basically a multivitamin for your scalp, directly from nature. How onion juice stimulates hair growth. Let's talk mechanics. When you apply onion juice to your scalp, here's what happens. Improved circulation. The juice boosts blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your follicles. Follicle nourishment. The sulfur feeds the hair root, making it stronger and healthier. Antibacterial action. It helps fight off infections, dandruff, and clogged pores that could block growth. Activation of dormant roots. By reducing inflammation and clearing the scalp, onion juice can reactivate sleeping hair follicles. It stimulates undernourished roots by improving blood flow and delivering essential nutrients directly to the scalp. This reactivation process encourages new hair to sprout from areas that previously showed little or no growth. Consistent application helps maintain a healthy environment where follicles can stay active and productive. Over time, this can lead to visibly fuller hair, especially in areas prone to thinning or bald patches. What's even better is that it doesn't involve any harsh chemicals or expensive procedures. You control exactly what goes on your scalp. Preparing onion juice at home. You don't need a fancy lab, a professional kit, or any expensive equipment to make onion juice for hair growth. Everything you need is likely already in your kitchen. Begin by selecting 2 medium-sized red onions. Red onions are preferred because they contain a higher concentration of sulfur compounds compared to white or yellow varieties, making them more effective for stimulating hair follicles. After peeling the onions, chop them into small chunks to make them easier to process. You can then use a blender, food processor, or even a manual grater to turn the onion chunks into a smooth pulp. Blending is quicker and more efficient, but grating works just as well if you don't have access to a blender. Once you have a fine pulp, transfer it into a clean piece of cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer placed over a bowl. Carefully squeeze the cloth or press the strainer to extract every last drop of juice. Make sure to extract as much liquid as possible. Finally, store the freshly extracted onion juice in a clean, preferably glass container. And just like that, you've created a powerful, all-natural tonic for your scalp. How to apply it without regret? Let's be real, onion juice smells strong. So here's the best way to apply it for maximum results, without turning heads for the wrong reason. Use a cotton ball or dropper to apply the juice directly to your scalp. Focus on thinning areas. Gently massage it in using your fingertips for 5 to 10 minutes. This boosts circulation. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes. If you're brave, leave it overnight. Rinse with a mild shampoo and lukewarm water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times per week consistently for 1 to 2 months. Many people report noticing new baby hairs, thicker strands, and reduced shedding within 3 to 4 weeks. Let's pause here. Quick question for you. If you've ever tried onion juice for hair growth, or even considered it, drop your experience in the comments. Was it messy? Did it work for you? Or are you still on the fence? We'd love to hear your story, and your tips might help someone else out there struggling with hair loss. Is onion juice for everyone? Most people tolerate onion juice well, but here are a few things to watch out for. Do a patch test before applying to your whole scalp. Some people may experience itching or redness. If you have allergies to onions or sulfur, this remedy isn't for you. Avoid getting it in your eyes. It stings more than chopping onions. Don't overuse. 2 to 3 times per week is plenty. Overuse may dry out your scalp. More than just hair, the psychological boost. Let's not forget the emotional aspect. Hair thinning and bald spots don't just affect how we look, they affect how we feel. It can lower self-confidence and trigger anxiety. Taking control of your hair health with a simple remedy like onion juice gives you back that sense of agency. And when you start to see those baby hairs growing in, it's not just about hair, it's about hope. Real people, real results. Across forums, YouTube, and Reddit, you'll find real stories of people using onion juice to regrow hair in bald patches, increase thickness, and even fill out receding hairlines. Many combine it with other healthy habits like scalp massage, stress reduction, and better nutrition. The results are consistent, with patience and consistency. In a world full of overpriced serums and fancy treatments, sometimes the most effective solutions are also the simplest. Onion juice is not a miracle cure, but it is a powerful, accessible, and proven remedy for extreme hair growth. And if you're finding this information helpful, drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our health-transforming videos.
Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.